Hi, I'm Sarah Haverstick, Safety Advocate with Evenflo. So you found the perfect car seat for the next decade of adventure with your little thrill seeker, but now you need to know how to install it. Well, you've come to the right place because today I'm going to show you how to install the Evenflo EveryKid all-in-one car seat in forward-facing mode with lower anchors and tether. Before we begin, please review the instruction manual and all labels on the car seat prior to use. Now squeeze the recline handle on the front of the car seat and adjust the seat to the upright position. Unhook the tether from the rear of the car seat. Place the car seat on your vehicle seat so the child will be facing the front of the car. Always make sure the bottom of the car seat sits flat on the vehicle seat. Lay the tether strap across your vehicle seat back. We will attach the tether to your vehicle in a few steps. Unbuckle and loosen the harness. Remove the head pillow and body pillow. These are not used in forward-facing mode. Detach the lower anchor connector from each side of the car seat. Now we will move the lower anchor connectors from the rear-facing to the forward-facing belt path. It helps to remove some of the car seat pad to access the lower anchor strap. Make sure the lower anchor connector is facing upright and connect each side to the corresponding anchor bar in your vehicle. To tighten the lower anchor strap, take the excess webbing tail, put it through your forward-facing belt path, place one hand in the center of the seat, giving firm pressure while you pull the tail to tighten the strap. Make sure the lower anchor strap lies flat and is not twisted, and then replace the soft goods. To check for tightness, grab the seat at the belt path where you have it installed. It should not move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. If your car seat moves more than 1 inch when you're testing at the belt path, there's a few things you can do. Try to tighten it a little bit more, but if that doesn't work, you might need to change seating positions or change your method of installation by moving from lower anchors to a seatbelt install. Connect the tether from the back of the car seat to the corresponding anchor bar in your vehicle. Then pull the tail to remove excess slack. Now you're ready for non-stop adventure. For any additional questions, all Evenflo car seats come with ParentLink customer service perks, like real-time chat support and free live video installation service. For more information, visit evenflo.com.